I finally bought another bag. I know to you guys it might seem like I'm buying bags really often, but I haven't actually bought a purse in a while, and technically this one isn't a purse. I think the last designer purse that I bought has to be almost a year ago. That's crazy. I'm surprised with myself. I've really been kind of having like tunnel vision lately, where when I find a designer item that I am really looking for, I am so laser determined to get it no matter how hard it is to get. Same with my shoes. This bag was extremely hard to come by. It was very quickly sold out in Canada, and I actually asked for it before it even came into store. Unfortunately, my sales associate told me that it was a very highly coveted bag. There was already a huge clientele waiting for it, and of course priority would go to those who were, you know, really top spenders at Chanel, which I'm just a little Chanel peasant. So I had to call up my heavy duty backups, personal shoppers in the USA. Yes, I paid a fee, so I ended up paying over retail for this bag, but so worth it. The personal shopper was able to track it down somewhere in LA, and that's where my bag came from. Okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna stick it right here. Chanel is how my parents would say it. Oh, so we have the little Chanel care booklets and stuff. I've already gently peeled it so that I wouldn't have to struggle on camera, but this bag is actually different from all the other kind of flat bags that I've gotten. It's a little bit more structured, and the drawstrings are different. It's a little bit harder to tug, but still a very pretty dust bag. And the reveal. Ooh, ah. So as you can see, this is the Chanel Fanny Pack. I feel like I've gotten to a point where I have so many purses that I'm looking for things that are way more unique now. And I think the Fanny Pack has always been coming in and out, but I do think that it fits my style right now because I'm a lot more like, you know, casual, less dressy, so this really suits it. I'm just gonna take the paper off here. So it comes with an adjustable strap. It has a little buckle here that you can adjust. And then on this side, you can actually adjust this buckle here so that it can sit across your body however way you like. It is quite spacious on the inside, very wide. It can definitely fit your day-to-day essentials for sure, and could probably fit the same amount that you could fit into a regular purse. Of course, you have a little pocket here that says Chanel, made in Italy, and the authenticity card. The satisfaction of peeling off this, I'm going to share it with you guys. Let's do it. Oh. Shiny. It is a light gold hardware, which I really personally like. Another one of my bags is the true gold hardware, and I find that it's actually too flashy, a bit too yellow, and it's hard to match with things. So the light gold kind of looks silver in some light, so I feel like this is a lot more of a versatile hardware color. It has a pocket on the back side here as well. You can kind of store, you know, your valuables. Oh, this one goes pretty deep actually. The leather itself is a quilted calfskin in black. I think last season they had yellow and another color, but this season's colors are black, navy blue, and green, I believe. This is what it looks like on, although my outfit doesn't really match it right now. I want it to kind of soften up a bit so it hugs my body a little bit better, more like this. I think it's perfect for fall because you can actually like kind of layer things and keep this on your body and on top. So I'm really liking the layering look with fanny packs for sure. I feel like with less clothing it actually makes this look bigger, but when you have clothing and layers on, it kind of like blends in and suits your entire look. Alright, let me show you guys what we can fit in here. So very easily I can fit my phone. I can actually also fit my phone in this back pocket, which I think is where I would typically put it. I got a new phone, by the way. It's the iPhone XS, so I don't have this massive friggin' plus that I have to carry around anymore, because this is actually providing the same screen size but for a smaller sized phone. Here I can put my wallet, my mini wallet anyways, but a big wallet could probably fit in here too. I put a little card holder. I only wear either my wallet or my card holder, but just for purposes of showing you guys what can fit in here, there's that. And I could fit a pair of sunglasses for sure, and I can definitely fit keys in here. There's just so much more room. Yeah, there's so much room in this corner over here. Lipstick, keys, just to give you some size comparisons. Now I'm hands-free. I can't wait to style it for you guys in some videos coming up. So if you've lasted this long, then I'm assuming that you want to know the price. In Canada, it's $3,450, and in America, it's $2,900. I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of hate on this video because people are gonna think this fanny pack is stupid and ugly, but I love it. That's all that matters. I'm gonna be wearing it a lot. I already know that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video regardless. Let me know in the comments below if you're into the fanny pack or not, and I will speak to you guys in the next video. See ya!